Discover the benefits of white mulberry leaf extract. White mulberry, Morus alba, a plant originally from China, has been cultivated worldwide primarily for its leaves, which are the main food source for silkworms. In addition to its importance in silk production, white mulberry leaf extract is now recognized for its many health benefits. This article highlights the various advantages of white mulberry leaf extract in easy-to-understand terms. Benefits of white mulberry leaf extract. 1. Blood sugar regulation. White mulberry leaf extract is particularly noted for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It contains a compound called 1-deoxynitromycin, DNJ, which inhibits the enzyme responsible for breaking down carbohydrates into glucose. By slowing down this process, the extract helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This makes it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 2. Cholesterol management. Managing cholesterol levels is crucial for heart health, and white mulberry leaf extract can play a role in this. Studies have shown that the extract can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, levels. This balance is essential for reducing the risk of heart disease and maintaining cardiovascular health. 3. Weight management. For those looking to manage their weight, white mulberry leaf extract can be a helpful addition to their regimen. The extract can inhibit the absorption of sugars and fats, which can lead to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels can help control appetite and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. White mulberry leaf extract has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a significant role in symptom severity. 5. Immune system support. A strong immune system is vital for defending the body against infections and diseases. The vitamins and minerals in white mulberry leaf extract, particularly vitamin C and zinc, support immune function. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of the extract help protect immune cells from damage, ensuring they function optimally. 6. Skin health. The benefits of white mulberry leaf extract extend to skin health as well. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. Furthermore, the extract has been used in traditional medicine to treat skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Regular use can promote healthy, glowing skin and reduce the signs of aging. 7. Liver health. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body, and white mulberry leaf extract can support liver health. Research suggests that the extract can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. This protective effect can aid in maintaining optimal liver function and overall health. 8. Enhances cognitive function. Cognitive decline is a common concern as people age, but white mulberry leaf extract may offer some protection. The antioxidants in the extract help protect brain cells from damage and improve overall brain function. Some studies have shown that regular consumption of the extract can enhance memory and learning abilities, making it a potential supplement for supporting cognitive health. White mulberry leaf extract is a versatile and potent natural supplement with a wide range of health benefits. From regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels to supporting weight management and enhancing cognitive function, its advantages are numerous. Additionally, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties support overall health. Adding white mulberry leaf extract to your diet can boost health and protect against chronic conditions. Consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement.